How to download Poppy Playtime Chapter 3 on your PC. For that, you first need to have a Steam account and the Steam application on your PC. If you don't have this, you can just go to your web browser and quickly search for Steam download, and you'll see this website right here. From here, you can install the AP installation exe file, and from there, you can install the application. And if you already had an account, you can just simply log into that, or if you don't have one, you can just make your account using your Gmail. Once you do that, there should be your home layout, and on the search bar at the top right here, you want to search for Poppy Playtime Chapter 3. So you want to click on it. Oops, I clicked Chapter 2, so if I just go here, I am going to search for Chapter 3 right here. And as you can see, the game costs $7. So make sure you have this amount prepared before you purchase it. Now from here, what you want to do is add to cart and view your cart from here. Make sure it's for your account and not as a gift. So once you do that, continue with your payment. And as you can see, Steam here has provided us with various payment methods. First one being PayPal, Visa, MasterCard, American Express, Discover, JCB, so all of these options right here. If you just want to continue with your PayPal, click on continue and it will ask you for your PIN code. Then you can simply purchase it from there, or if you want to do with any other payment method, you can just add your card details, your billing information, and continue. After that, you've purchased the game and it will show up right here on your library. From here, you can install it and easily play the game. That is all for today's video. Please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. I'll catch you guys on the next video. Thank you for watching.